Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can extend the video durations in Canva. So in here, I have a blank canvas and I want to add a video. For example, this video is right here. This video is only 10 seconds long, so if you add it into the canvas, you can see now it will follow the current durations of the video, and you cannot extend the video no matter how you do it. You can drag it, you cannot drag it like this. So if you want to extend its duration, for example, I'm going to make this into a 15 seconds long video, you need to add a new page first. It will add a blank canvas like this. Click on the canvas and you can see you can just drag it like this. You can just drag the blank canvas duration, for example, into 15 seconds like I said before, like that. And now you can try adding the video again to this blank canvas, and it will follow the durations of the canvas. So you can delete this page, and in here you can just, I'm going to set the video as background, but please be noted, if you do that the video will be looping. So it will when it's the original durations end, it will go back to the first starting point like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.